Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Canva for YouTube thumbnail templates and export easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Canva for YouTube thumbnail templates, first, visit the Canva website. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up with your email or social media accounts. Once logged in, use the search bar at the top of the page. Type YouTube thumbnail into the search bar and hit enter. This will display various thumbnail templates designed specifically for YouTube. Browse through the templates to find one that suits your style. Click on the template to open it in the Canva editor. Here, you can customize elements like text, colors, and images. To replace images, click on the desired image area and select Uploads from the left sidebar. Upload your own images or choose from Canva's extensive library. Next, click on text boxes to edit titles and descriptions relevant to your video. You can change font style and size by using the options in the top toolbar. Once you're satisfied with your design, look for the Share button in the top right corner. Click on it and then select Download from the drop-down menu. Choose your desired file type, typically PNG or JPEG for thumbnails. Click the Download button to save your thumbnail to your device. Now you can upload your newly created thumbnail to your YouTube video during the upload process. Congratulations, you've successfully activated Canva for YouTube thumbnail templates and exported your design. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.